Good afternoon. My name is Jairo Patiño. Next, I will present my point in the weeks. Inform and education others. Objective. Being up to problem manage as natural sources in order contribute in the improving of the environment with the help technology resources. Explication. From my point on the wind, in the same to the time, being able to inform and educate people is the most important in the two able to help the environment and the have over manager of all biological sources. It is important in the care of the train, fish or wild within the nave of the communication where way lie to the Spanish initiative of the communication. The money style will Anders is saying on the tie in the can help contribute to the environment worldwide. The use of solar panel to save electricity. The use of solar panel is a good alternative for the importance of the environment since the impact and the benefits of one import since it is unlimited source and the dose to the produce in the type of gas help global warming. Profits. Unlimited for sources, it is renewable, low cost, energy can with the convert in electricity, creative hubs, contributes in the sustainable development available all over in the world. Introduction. This great project that the one on the line in the take many years. Many people do not come about in the how important in the time in the quad whose it the acts. Herein, the dan advert of the sun energy and transform in the day energy through the use for one oil. Solar link allows the improving efficacy in energy consuming and the reduce electricity cost which might in the alternative energy. Transformation powered by solar energy. This type of transformation is the powered by energy, the closed electricity, wind power energy from solar panel used under right way. Technology in the it is very important since we can use conventional charging for solar for charging the phone, tablets, computers, flashlight, or the applications that worldwide solar technology should address radio lamp. Thank you so very much.